AES Seal Marine, a global manufacturer and specialist, providing a wide range of mechanical sealing products and reliability-focused services to the marine industry. AES Seal Marine have utilized 40 years of sealing expertise to develop a range of inboard and outboard sealing solutions that excel in the most arduous and critical applications on any marine vessel. Our Outboard Stern Tube Seal is a multi-barrier mechanical seal designed to keep lubricating oil in and seawater out. Our innovative seal design is fully interchangeable with existing seal types, removing the need for vessel modification. No wear to the shaft liner, allowing it to last the life of the ship. Complies with class shaft monitoring programs and has a patent-pending seal design, advocating our design excellence. Our Outboard Stern Tube Seal solution is of split design as standard. This means that following initial installation, the propeller or shaft does not need to be removed when performing scheduled maintenance, making the serviceability more rapid and reducing associated maintenance costs. The rotary mechanical faces are driven by a positive drive feature on the shaft liner, ensuring minimal liner wear. This design feature reduces maintenance costs and allows the shaft liner to last the life of the ship. Two sets of back-to-back seal faces create a seal void space which isolates the oil and seawater from each other. Through this design, we can offer a solution for retrofit and new build applications. The Standalone system works by having a higher oil pressure differential in the stern tube than that of the seawater pressure, which will vary with the draft of the vessel. Any leakage into the void will act as a lubricant which lubricates the seal faces and keeps them from prematurely wearing, prolonging the life of the seal. Utilizing the Standalone system means that no modification is required, meaning it can directly fit into existing vessel dimensions. It's suitable for all retrofit and new build applications. It's compatible with all EAL oils, and there is no ingress of water into the lubricating oil. Utilizing the MBMF vent and drain system successfully removes the oil-to-sea interface and isolates the lubricating oil and seawater from coming into contact with each other. This is achieved from the intermittent blowdown panel, providing a constant airflow to clear containment fluids from the seal void space. Any oil leakage into the seal void helps keep the faces lubricated before being drained on board. This increases the seal's expected life and improves the reliability of your equipment. The vent and drain system also offers complete protection against the leakage of lubricating oil to surrounding environments and the ingress of seawater to the inboard lubricating oil. This system fully complies with the specifications outlined in the 2013 Vessel General Permit and can be safely operated with mineral oil, removing the need for a costly, environmentally acceptable lubricant. This is testament to AES Seal Marine's sustainability focus and our wider commitment to maintaining a safer and environmentally friendly future. Advantages: available in semi or fully split format. The seal design can be installed in both new build and retrofit applications. Fully serviceable without the need for shaft or propeller removal. The rotating mechanical face causes no wear to the shaft liner. Key features: multi-barrier system giving security against fluid transfer. Fully interchangeable with existing seal types without modification. No wear to the shaft liner. Fits within an axial space as little as 76 mm. Complies with class shaft monitoring programs such as TMON. Not affected by thermal expansion. DNV Maritime approved product. Patent pending design. For more information regarding our range of stern tube sealing solutions, contact our team of specialists today to find out how we reduce your maintenance costs, improve the uptime of your equipment, and provide sustainable, long-lasting solutions.